Hello, are you into sales or business development? If yes, then we have a very good news. Hear me out. Imagine being in the Mario world, but you're this tiny Mario. You don't have any superpowers. You can't break through the bricks. You can't kill your enemies with fire. Now, in the business world, in the sales and business development professions, if you don't have the right tools and powers, you cannot get ahead. If you want an unfair advantage, you must learn a skill called NLP or Neuro-linguistic programming. I'm Vishal Gautam and I've been a practitioner for Neuro-linguistic programming for about 10 years now, and I'm going to teach you the right tools, trades and tricks to get ahead of everybody else. Join me on this workshop with Skillwise. It's called Sell Better with NLP, and I'll see you on the inside. Good luck.